They shimmer bright, moving shadows in the night. Feel the pulse of dreams ignite, whispers in the moonlight. Stars align, we're side by side, lost in oceans deep and wide. Heartbeats clash, the waves collide. In this beat we can't hide.
Hey YouTube, I'm Sean from Minnesota Mellow. Welcome back. Today's a great day. It's review day. So over the Christmas season, this last December, I want to say even November, we were watching some other creators, and we happened to notice a product by the name of Ripley, made by Ooze, oozelife.com. It was a two-person dab rig hookah. Now, my wife and I, we do love consuming in all the different ways we possibly can. But we also really like sitting next to each other while we're consuming, and this makes it really easy for us to set up some wax, enjoy a session. We purchased this as a gift for ourselves for the Christmas season. Thankfully, it showed up just before Christmas. Unfortunately, we had to wait until after Christmas to do the unboxing. But here we are today, ready to unbox it, give you our first-hand account of how good or bad it actually is. Let's get to it. All right. First, taking a look at it, great packaging, nice heavy-duty box. Comes with a festive glass globe dual quartz coil as one of the accessories for the holiday season. Comes with an additional hose kit in the rainbow color that we chose for our actual Ripley hookah. Comes with a couple stickers. I thought it was a unicorn. It's a guy smoking a pipe. And what else do we have here? It also comes with the rewards QR code. Go ahead and catch that. The warranty card. And looks like a card for a bunch more merch. So, without further ado, let's get to it. You ready to take a look? Here we go. Look at that color though. Look at that color. Oh, that rainbow. That is absolutely fantastic. And it's heavy. But it is heavy. So let's take a look at what we got here. Let's go ahead and pull these out piece by piece. So, first things first, hose kit. This is, of course, in addition to our additional hose kit. We have the accessory pack, which I know from looking up ahead of time comes with a dab tool and some Q-tips. But let's go ahead and open it up. Make sure. What do we got here? What do we got? Okay, so we've got the charging cable. We have the handy dandy cleaning tool. Man, it would not be complete without having one of these little cleaning tools. Every single one that comes up with one, and I'll be honest, I really do appreciate them. We have our dab tool, which is solid. It's actually, it's simple, but it's better than what most will come with. We have our sterilized Q-tips for cleaning afterwards. Gotta keep it clean. What else do we have? We have something else in here. All right. We have we have the pearls. We have the Turk pearls and the rubber band. All right. We have. Ooh, those are deep in there. We have the two. The king size coils, the king size onyx atomizers. Look at these monsters, man. Look at that. That's definitely gonna get the job done. So we've got two of those. I'm not gonna take both of them out. I'm only gonna take the one out. And then of course, there is the actual dab rig itself. Look at this. Two different hoses. Lanyard to keep the carb plug in place. There we go. Look at that. Allows us to go ahead and put an atomizer inside of there. It's got the LCD screen. And of course, be able to unscrew the bottom, which is glass, to fill it with water. Definitely be careful for your stem. Can't quite tell if that's glass or plastic, but you definitely don't want to break that off. Let's go ahead and put this right back in here for a moment. So let's get that screwed in there with my big clumsy hands. But thankfully, it's as easy as that. All right. Hand tighten. Just gonna go right inside of that little cup, huh? Okay, so let's get this. This is a nice box. I gotta tell you. Let's take a second to look at this box. Appreciate this. This is how you package something. You got several layers of foam inside of there. It was super snug. There was no way that this thing was moving around. I really got to appreciate a company that is going to spend the time and spend the effort on creating packaging that's at least befitting of their product itself. I definitely really like. This is really silly. I love this. I love the magnetic close. There's just something about a box that has a magnetic close. Okay, so let's set the box to the side for now. Let's bring this back in. Let's bring this bad friend of ours in. Love that color too. Really glad we went with the rainbow. Okay, so this is hose kit number 1. Ooh, look out, look out. Oh, wow. Wow. Heavy duty. Heavy duty. Look at you. Okay. There's number 1. Let's check out hose kit number 2. Ooh! Hose kit number 2 matches too. And it's got some extra Turk pearls. Let's see, I put those over there. Look at that. It's got that matching hose. heavy duty metal metal mouthpiece. Look at that. Talk about impressive, man. Yeah. All right. Let's get this connected, right? So why is out? Oh, okay. Well, hello. Okay, so this is not a plug. These are both. Yep. See, these both go all the way through. I don't know if you will see all the way through or not. But so I have to assume, just have to assume that if you're smoking with just one person and you only have one hose going inside of there, you're gonna have to keep a finger on this. Otherwise, you're gonna bring in air that is unnecessary. Okay, so let's take this one off. Let's put that in there. Take this one and nice tight fit right over there. Boom. There you go. Plugged in.
Alright, so here it is, fully assembled and ready to go. Go ahead, take a nice long look at it. Wow, isn't it just absolutely stunning? I mean, come on, that rainbow color of the hookah just, oh man, it just really makes it pop. And just wait until you see it with its lights turned on and actually being used. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time for that this week though. So what does that mean? Well, that means you better make sure to stop back next week, where I'm going to go through all the settings, the options, and of course, I'm going to drop some of that sticky icky substance into the atomizer and, well, I'm going to give it its inaugural test run. So, until then, stay mellow, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you'll know when the next video is out.